morning, BIS 302. Happy Sunday morning. This is my second take. I actually was going to post a video last night, but found out I forgot to turn my microphone on. So that wasn't going to work out very well. So here I am in the morning and trying to redo this. What I wanted to do is just, we'll talk about the proposal rough drafts. I hope your peer reviews helped. They usually do. There were some really good ones. I think that it's a good way to see, how your peers are doing their work, and it helps you to give context to yours. I like that. We have some of the common things I saw that could be repaired a little bit is tighten them up a little bit, the gaps in the paper. Okay, especially within the same section, shouldn't really have gaps between paragraphs. Just do a consistent paragraph indents. Even between sections, you don't need to put a lot of space there. I mean, you don't need to start chapter 2 or 3 on the next page. If you do, okay, it's not the end of the world, but I'm just giving you some ideas about that. You'll see some of the sections, people have like letters, A, B, C, D. You can lose that, but I do know that there are samples that I post that have that. All right, again, all samples, none of them are perfect. I noticed one of the samples does not have the reference list alphabetized, so please alphabetize your reference list. All reference lists should be double line spaced with no extra line space between each reference. In-text citations, you guys have been getting really good at that. Make sure that, here's a little tip, when you're using more than one author name in text, when you use it in the sentence, and they call it the signal phrase, you put the word "and," like Smith and Jones. But if you do it in the when you do it in the parentheses, you use an ampersand, like the thing over the number 7, an ampersand, and you don't write "and." So you do that with like 2 or more names. Okay. Make sure your font is all Times New Roman 12-point font the whole way through, all black. Some people kind of must copy and paste or something, and you get a faded gray kind of font, and then you get like a Calibri font in there, and it kind of sticks out. And again, I'm just giving your paper some curb appeal because it really helps to have that. Your substance has been getting, is really good, and keep going at it. Grammar and spelling are important, of course. Try to reread your paper when you're done, or give it to a trusted friend or ally or relative to read. They probably will see things that you didn't catch, just because that's our nature. Okay, we just miss those things. All right. So the proposal again should be in future tense. It should talk about the rubric is there. It's in yellow for one of the rubrics I show is yellow. What sections I want in there. You don't need an elaborate cover page. Just put your name. You can just put your last name in the running head and then the page number, or like this and like that, and then put your name in the file name when you upload it. Okay, do like proposal _ Smith, and you upload it. That way, it's really easy for me to move that paper around. Otherwise, you're going to see on your review, you'll see lit review, no name, Smith reviewed. Okay, that's telling you that you didn't have your name on it. Okay, and I don't know, I can't remember if I have a Smith in the class, so if I do, sorry, I'm not focusing on you there. Okay, so we're moving into Module 6, coming down the home stretch now. This is like data collection week. It's a little break in the action. That morning light is really bad, isn't it? Wow. Let's see if I can adjust the polarized lens here. All right, once a photographer, always a photographer. Okay. Module 6, collecting data. Okay, your surveys. Hope they're coming along great and you're getting those out the door. If you would like me to disperse survey links, I would say get them to me by Tuesday. And Tuesday night I'll fire some off if that helps you guys to do that. There's a couple worksheets, a couple of Adobe presentations about how to analyze qualitative and quantitative data, the results, and then there's worksheets that demonstrate it. One focuses on how to look at qualitative results, so I'd like you to do that just to see what you're missing by not doing qualitative. And then the other one's quantitative, which you're going to test your math skills, as I do with mine. I'm not going to say anything. I'd like you to do it. I'd like you to get through that. But I got to admit, I don't do all your math for you on each paper, but I'd like you to go through that to see what that's like and how you do data analysis on some quantitative data. Okay, and so then that's kind of it as we prepare for the final paper week. You know, get ahead if you'd like, don't get ahead, catch up, all right? Get a hold of me with questions, concerns, comments. The course evals are out, I guess. That's what I hear. If you get your course evaluation, please fill it out. I'm not telling you what to fill out by any means, but it helps me as an instructor. It helps us as a department to get feedback from our students. You know, I just want to joke about one thing I see sometimes on my feedback for this course is that, well, this course shouldn't even exist. Why are we doing research? I'm never going to do research. I'm not going to sit at a desk and research. What's the point of this? Blah, blah, blah. Okay, well, I would submit to that person. It's anonymous, so I don't know. But I would submit to that person that, personally, I've not done any algebra since 1975. Okay, but I did take it. I think some classes that you don't think are helping you are actually are. They're helping you how to think. I think a course like this helps you to become a better consumer of knowledge, a better consumer of research. So when you're out on the net and looking for something, you know, researching something, you're going to understand what type of research that is, and you're going to be able to assign a certain point of veracity to that, or gravity that you feel is important. For example, I look at certain health things in the last 6 months. I've been really doing my own research of the research from Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, UK, Canada, US, research regarding statins, research regarding low-carb, high-fat diets, research regarding vegan versus carnivore and paleo, and those kind of things, just to find out what the recent data shows, okay? And I've learned a lot, and I'm not going to get into it in my own ideology on those things, but I've learned a lot. I learned a lot that goes against some of the current science that the doctors are using, and it's because I think I'm a better consumer of research out there. So, and you know, in this day and age of fake news, it's good to have some background in what it means to do research, rigorous research, and that's what you guys are getting a taste of. Obviously, in a 7.5-week course, it's difficult, but you're finding out what it means and how a paper looks, and how you put that together. So I know I'm probably forgetting something I was going to say about this, doggone it. But let me know, like I said, individually, if you got any issues. I'm almost 9 minutes here, I guess. Okay, I'll let you off the hook. You know what? I know I'm giving you, I didn't put any cookies in this thing, so let's see. If you watch the whole thing, actually, no. Give me, wow. What the heck am I going to do? I'm so lacking creativity this morning. Send me the word zoo, okay? Because that's where I'm going this morning. Take a walk. All right. Send me the word zoo, and then I'll know you watched this, or at least you watched the last 15 seconds of it. Okay. Have a good day. Forks up. See ya.